Are you scared of English? Are you scared of verbal section for the upcoming entrance examination season? You are not from an English medium school और आपकी English बहुत weak है and that is the reason you're feeling shaky about the upcoming examination season. Do not worry guys. My name is Ashish and I'm the verbal faculty at Vision MBA. My job is not just to impress you by a fake accent and a fancy diction, but my job is to make sure that you understand. Even if you are not from an English medium school or if your verbal is not great, I'm going to make sure that you score good, and not just you score good in the entrance examination, but your communication skills also get better. Now guys, under the verbal section there are only three things: vocabulary, grammar and reading. And for those three things, Vision MBA is going to provide you three books, and I'll show it to you. These three books you're going to get, and these three books are going to consist vocabulary, reading and grammar. Let me take you into the index of these three books so that you understand what is it. और घबराओ मत अगर इंग्लिश वीक है, मैं हूं ना. Okay, guys, so now we are going to understand what kind of book vocabulary you're going to get in the Vocab Builder book. Now, as you can see here, you got this book, how to use this book, part A, wordplay and vocab exercises, letter-wise crossword, letter-wise vocab exercises. Now, guys, we all know that vocabulary plays a vital role in any verbal section, irrespective of the examination. Now, verbal section consists of three things: grammar, vocabulary and reading comprehension. So this book is going to take care of one part, that is vocabulary. Now it got word families also. Now people always ask me this question, sir, how I'm going to prepare for idioms, phrases and proverbs. So do not worry, you do not need to worry about buying something else or focusing on something else or referring to something else. So this book is not just going to help you with the vocabulary, how to build a great vocabulary, but related words and ideas, that means root words, which we are talking about in the B part. And in C you can see idioms, phrases and proverbs, list of idioms, phrases and proverbs. Now guys, there is a trick and there is a way involved. English is spoken across the globe, and for every region you got different idioms, phrases and proverbs. You need to get the hang of what a particular idiom or phrase means. So of course I'm going to teach you that. You can see that this book is focusing on that. If you are someone who's not from इंग्लिश मीडियम, या आपकी वर्बल या इंग्लिश आपकी कमज़ोर है, डू नॉट वरी गाइस, आई एम देयर, मैं हूँ ना. फिर उसके बाद बारी आती है ग्रामर की. नाउ पीपल आर वरीड अबाउट ग्रामर ऑल्सो, लाइक हाउ इट गोज एंड हाउ दिस थिंग इज, और grammar. In our grammar, how I'm going to answer the question. Now guys, under grammar you will be getting direct or indirect questions. Direct kind of questions are you get sentence correction or spot the error. Now subject verb agreement, preposition and conjunction, pronoun, modal, adjective, adverb, modifier, parallelism. I am pretty sure that if you have appeared in any of the management entrance exam and if you prepared, you can see that how good this study material is. And if you are someone who's going to appear first time or going to prepare for this examination first time, trust me guys, these are the topics on which grammar is focused upon. And then you got practice exercise also, sentence formation practice exercises are there, error identification practice, everything. So with the answer key, as you can see here, this is the index guys of the second book. The three books which I've showed you in the beginning, the first one was of vocabulary, the second one is on the grammar. Now then let's proceed further. Now the third one is, if I tell you and if I show it to you, is on reading comprehension. Now under the reading comprehension you can see classroom practice exercise RC1, speed building, how to, it's never about how to read fast, it is about how to understand fast. You focus on the stuff which you are supposed to emphasize upon. So स्पीड बिल्डिंग का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप तेज़ पढ़ रहे हैं, जैसे मैं तेज़ बात कर रहा हूँ. ऑफकोर्स मुझे वीडियो बनाना, मैं चाहता हूँ छोटा वीडियो बने, सबको समझ आए, लेकिन हमको सिर्फ उस बात पे फोकस करना है जो काम की चीज़ है. जैसे हम यूट्यूब पे कैसे फॉरवर्ड कर करके देखते हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ इट. बट व्हाट टू फोकस अपॉन, हाउ टू डू दैट, देयर इज़ अ वे टू डू दैट. सो स्पीड बिल्डिंग टीच यू दैट. मेन आइडिया टाइप के क्वेश्चन है. फिर क्लासरूम प्रैक्टिस गाइज, द क्लासरूम प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस दीज काइंड ऑफ passages in the classroom, and then of course you're going to carry the books, and then once this lecture or the session is over, you're going to practice the exercise which is meant for you guys to practice maybe in the class or at home or home whenever you are home. So guys, this is the way it is. Now English usage, word usage, everything is there. So guys, and this is sentence, paragraph completion, gap fills, para completion. That means you have to complete the paragraph. Now all these questions comes under the comprehension part. Para jumble, yes, as you can see, para jumble, many people get headache and they start vomiting. If you have prepared for the examinations, you know what I'm talking about. In CAT examination, para jumble and RC got the maximum punch. So if you know the basics right, if you are into reading, if you know what to look at and how to proceed further, you won't be trouble. Vocabulary usage, grammar usage, critical reasoning again. Now guys, critical reasoning is very important, and it is the building block for people who want to appear in SNAP and ZAT examination. In ZAT you got decision making section, and trust me guys, it is nothing but critical reasoning. I am there. My name is Ashish, I am the verbal faculty. I am going to teach you all these things, and do not worry guys, I am there. And even if you are weak in English, of course this is just the inside of the index. These three books are sufficient. Remember guys, my job is not just to make sure that you score good in the verbal section, but also you are good in your communication skills, because once you are a manager or whether you're going to work anywhere, you need communication skills. So I hope this small explanation will help you. If there is any question, please feel free to contact me, drop a text. And yes, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe. I'll keep on posting videos like this. Thank you guys.